Question number 161. You need to use transact SQL to query files in Azure Data Lake Storage from an Azure Synapse Analytics data warehouse. What should you use to query the files? Option A, Azure Data Factory. Option B, Microsoft SQL Server Integration Services. Option C, Polybase. Option D, Azure Functions. Correct answer is option C, Polybase. Question number 162. To accomplish integrity of data, OLTP systems enforce transactions that support so-called acid semantics. The first question is, when a transaction has been committed, it will remain committed. The correct answer is durability. The second question is, each transaction is treated as a single unit, which succeeds completely or fails completely. The correct answer is atomicity. The third question is, concurrent transactions cannot interfere with one another and must result in a consistent database state. The correct answer is isolation. The fourth question is, transaction can only take the data in the database from one valid state to another. The correct answer is consistency. Question number 163. To complete the sentence, select the appropriate option in the answer area. The first question is, a key value data store is optimized for. The correct answer is simple lookups. Question number 164. Which clause should you use in a select statement to combine rows in one table with rows in another table? Option A, key. Option B, set. Option C, join. Option D, values. The correct answer is option C, join. Question number 165. Azure File Storage is used to blank space. Select the correct option to fill the blank. Option A, enable users at different sites to share files. Option B, store large binary data files containing images or other unstructured data. Option C, share files that are stored on premises with users located at the other sites. The correct answer is option A, enable users at different sites to share files. Just a quick reminder, if you don't want to watch all these videos and instead download all questions and answers, then feel free to purchase them on Buy Me a Coffee page. I have shared a link below. Question number 166. Azure Data Factory supports existing SSIS packages and can run them in the cloud. Select the correct option. Option A, true. Option B, false. The correct answer is option A, true. Question number 167. Data ingestion is blank space. Select the correct option to fill the blank. Option A, capturing raw data, streaming from various sources and storing it. Option B, analyzing data for anomalies. Option C, the process of transforming raw data into models containing meaningful information. The correct answer is option A, capturing raw data, streaming from various sources and storing it. Question number 168. For each of the following statement, select yes if the statement is true, otherwise select no. The first statement is, you can use MySQL Workbench to query Azure database for MariaDB databases. The correct answer is yes. The second statement is, you can use Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio to query Azure Synapse Analytics Data Warehouse. The correct answer is yes. The third statement is, you can use Azure Data Studio to query the Microsoft SQL Server Big Data Cluster. The correct answer is yes. Question number 169. Which of the following component is used to get messages from Twitter clients to Azure? Select the correct option. Option A, Azure Blob. Option B, IoT Hub. Option C, Event Hub. Option D, Azure Data Factory. The correct answer is option C, Event Hub. Question number 170. For each of the following statement, select yes if the statement is true, otherwise select no. The first statement is, Azure Table Storage within a single Azure Storage account supports multiple concurrent read in different Azure regions. The correct answer is yes. The second statement is, Azure Table Storage within a single Azure Storage account supports multiple concurrent writes in different Azure regions. The correct answer is no. The third statement is, an Azure Cosmos DB account that uses the table API supports multiple concurrent reads in different Azure regions. The correct answer is yes. The fourth statement is, an Azure Cosmos DB account that uses the table API supports multiple concurrent writes in different Azure regions. The correct answer is yes.